Cash App refunded for protection. Now, if you're getting this kind of message when you're trying to make a transaction to someone, but Cash App just refunded your money for protection, Cash App actually monitors your account for anything that looks out of the ordinary. If a potentially fraudulent payment occurs, they cancel it to prevent you from being charged. So it might be that the recipient that you're trying to send the money to, if you don't know them, is likely also a scammer. When this happens, your funds will instantly be returned to your Cash App balance or linked bank account. If not, they should be available within 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Now, to reduce the risk of payments being cancelled though, only link debit or credit cards that are in your name. Only send payments to or receive payments from people you know or reputable businesses. Confirm the recipient's phone number or cash tag before sending a payment, and frequently use your Cash App to build up a healthy transaction history. So this is what the Refunded for protection is all about. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.